I just want to show you a new way that I show users how not to be afraid of the table of contents feature. I go to a website and I check it for headings and a relatively simple layout, which yours is very, very nice. And this is a good example, and I can use this to demonstrate what I show them. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the text of the site, Control C, and then just go ahead and paste it into Word and remove the part at the bottom. Go back to the beginning, Control Home, and click on Show. Right now, everything is set for normal. Press Enter a couple times. Now I'm going to just do Control Alt K. There's a shortcut in Word that can sometimes work. It's not 100% reliable, but it is one of the ways that you can do automatic formatting in Word if you're lucky. So the feature is called Auto Format. So I'm going to go to Options and then go to Proof, Autocorrect, and then go to Auto Format. So these are all of Word's defaults. Everything is just turned on. I didn't customize this at all. So I'm just going to cancel out of there. So now that I've got all the styles that have been automatically applied based on the Auto Format feature, now what I'm going to do is go to the References tab, click Insert Table of Contents, and just accept the defaults, and everything is there. So when you're working with native Word or it hasn't been customized, the template that you're using, you're going to get some things that are out of alignment. So I have a couple of macros that can sometimes help with that. So I usually pick this one. This one is for California pleading. When I pick this one, it's somewhat okay, but sometimes I might have to click it a couple times. So now the other thing that I can do, Control Home, I'm going to go to the beginning of the main document and turn on the Advanced Show Hide. Press the Enter key here, and then I've got two section breaks. One is a next page section break with same as previous off. That's the one that we tend to use the most because of how we do page numbering in Word. This one is the native Word version where you have to explicitly turn off same as previous. So I just have it set up so that same as previous off is the default. And you'll notice here I have a page break command as well. So putting these three commands next to each other makes it easier to for us to explain what the purpose of each break is and for the users to absorb it. Plus there's a little tooltip there, so you don't have to do a whole lot of reading. So now what I'm going to do is go over to the CM shortcuts, and I also have a page numbering shortcut. We know now that we have two sections in the document, so I'm going to select the two sections, and I'm going to come down here because I have a table of contents in the main document, and I want the page number to appear on page 1 of the main document, but I do have several variations. So this makes it a whole lot easier to train. The last thing I'll show you is this. When I right click and adjust list indents on the paragraph numbering, say if I want to just change this to Arabic numeral instead of Roman, I make that change and then I do update to update that style. And then when I update ToC, the numbers are changed here as well. So that's it. One of the classes that it used to take us hours and hours to teach, we can now teach in about 5 or 10 minutes. But it's only available for speed if you're using a customized version of Word. And that's what I want to put out to different people so that we can reskill the legal profession. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.